Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to be working through this paper from the May-June series from 2017. Thanks for joining me. So let's start. The first question is saying find the coefficient of x in the expansion of 2x minus 1 over x to the power of 5. And for this one we're going to say 5, choose 2. Then we're going to start with minus 1 over x to the power 2, then 2x to the power this 5 minus this 2, which is 3, right? 5 choose 2 gives us 10, and 2 to the power 3 gives us 8, which results in 80 x to the power 3 over x squared. We're getting the x squared from this part, right? And these will cancel out to give us 80x. So the coefficient of x in the expansion of this is 80. So 80 will be our answer there. Then we move on to the second part, which says hence, meaning that we're going to be using our answer from the previous solution. Hence find the coefficient of x in the expansion of this multiplied by this. And for this one, what we're going to do is we're going to first get the coefficient of 1 over x, right? Or the coefficient of x to the power minus 1. Because we know that if we multiply that coefficient and the 3x squared, the result will be x, right? And for that reason, we are going to get the coefficient of x to the power minus 1. And for that, we're going to say 5, choose 2, but this time we start with the 2x. So 2x to the power 2, then minus 1 over x to the power 3, right? So 5 choose 2 still be 10, and if we multiply correctly, 5 choose 2 times 2 to the power 2, we will get 40, and 40 times this minus 1, we'll get minus 40x squared over x to the power 3, which will come down to minus 40 over x. Now we know if we multiply this term by 3x squared, we will get a term in x, and the term will have a coefficient of minus 120, right, like this. So we're going to add this coefficient to the previous answer we got, which is 80, right? Because that will give us the resulting coefficient of x in the whole expansion. So we're going to say 80 plus, we know it's minus 120, which is 80 minus 120, which will give us minus 40. So that will be the resulting coefficient. What we did is we know that this one right here is going to multiply a term in x for this one, which is why we took 80, and this 3x squared is going to multiply a term in this part of the expression here, which is 1 over x. For it to give us x, we know if we have 1 over x multiplying x squared, the answer will be x in the numerator. That's why we had to multiply this and this to get minus 120. Then we add those two, we get minus 40. I hope I made that clear enough.